Dear viewers, we're going to show you how to make Bolognese sauce. First of all, we need some good quality olive oil. Put our minced beef. We're going to brown them. Make them colorful. Viewers, now we're going to add our bay leaf, cinnamon stick. We put our onion, garlic, celery stick, carrot. We're going to add our salt, pepper, now we're going to add our tomato purees. Now we add our chopped tomatoes. Now we're going to add our thyme to this. Viewers, we're going to add a little bit of different dimension to it. We're going to add some cumin powder, a little bit of coriander powder, because the cumin goes very well with beef or lamb. But they give really a double beautiful kick to it, and it's take a different level. Viewers, we're going to add a stock cube to it. If you got we're going to add half a cup of water. Viewers, my spaghetti bolognese is ready. Now it's time to serve the beautiful spaghetti bolognese. Viewers, that's my beautiful bolognese sauce with the spaghetti. Yum, it's delicious, yummy, yummy. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of Parmigiano cheese, and it's yum and delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit.